Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will guide you how to fix Metro 2055 last day survival game crashing or lagging or not launching on Android devices. So let's go ahead. So the first method is to restart your device. For that, simply press the power button and volume up button. Now click on restart option and this will restart your device. Once your phone restarts, now launch the game and check if you can play the game. If not, the next method suggested is to close the game. So if you are playing the game and then in between the issue has occurred, so simply press on 3-line icon and then click on cross icon. This will close the game completely from background, and now try to launch the game and check if it works. If not, the next method suggested is to force stop the game. So for that, go to settings, look for apps, search for the game, and here as you can see force stop option is there. Simply click on force stop and then click on OK. After this, try to launch the game and check if it works. If not, then you need to clear cache of the game. So go to the app info of the game, click on storage and cache option and then click on clear cache option. This will clear the cache of the game. After that, try to play the game and check if this works. If not, the next method that is suggested is to update the game. For that, you simply need to go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for the game, that is Metro 2055. Now check if there is any update option available here and click on update option. Once your game is updated, now try to launch the game and then check if the issue is resolved. The next solution is to check if there is any storage problem. So you should go to settings, then go below and click on RAM and storage or as per your device. Here check if your device is running low space. If so, then clear all the unnecessary data and files and make some space to play the game smoothly. The next solution is to update your device. For that, again go back, open settings, go below and click on system update option. Here you should check if there is any update available for your device. If yes, simply click and update your device to the latest version and then check if it works for you. Next solution is to close all other apps running in the background. So while playing the game, make sure no other apps run in the background. So for that, simply click on 3-dot icon and see if any other apps is running on the background. Simply close them all at a time and then launch the game and check if this works for you. If not, finally the last method suggested is to reinstall the Metro 2055 last day survival game. For that, you simply need to click on the game icon, click on the delete option and this will uninstall the game completely from your device. After this, again go to Google Play Store. In the search bar, search for Metro 2055 and here click on install option. After you install the game on your device, now check if you can play the game by launching the game on your device. So I hope all these solutions will work for you to fix the crashing or other kind of issues you are facing while playing the game on your Android devices. That's all for now. Thank you.